Hey guys, I wanted to show you my hardware came for the mudroom that I'm working on, and I wanted to show you real quick. I searched high and low for like an antique or vintage bronze, and this was $5 at Wayfair. And then for the brackets on the underside of the shelf, these are just generic brackets you can buy anywhere. They do hold 1,000 pounds because I wanted to make sure it could hold the weight of the shelf and whatever I put on it. And then I spray painted them gold, and this is my favorite gold spray paint. Okay, it's slow, but it's coming along. Still gotta finish the edge of the wood. Yay!